Ural, the Russian manufacturer which has moved production to Kazakhstan, has announced a new sidecar, the Gear Up, which will be available this year. The Russian manufacturer, Ural, has released its all-new Gear Up sidecar for the beginning of 2023. With Ural's new release of the Gear Up sidecar, they have been boasting the inclusion of on-demand two-wheel drive being a standard feature that comes with the sidecar. This feature also allows for better traction for the sidecar. As of last year, when Russia invaded Ukraine, Ural has moved its production from Russia to Kazakhstan, and the Gear Up is one of the first new models to be produced in the new base of production. The Gear Up sidecar also comes with an OHV air-cooled 2-cylinder 4-stroke, flat twin 745cc engine. The 745cc engine can produce a maximum output of 41 horsepower at 5,500 revolutions per minute. The engine is also able to produce a maximum torque of 56.9 Nm at 4,300 revolutions per minute. The front suspension of the Gear Up has an IMZ leading link fork. The rear suspension has a double-sided swing arm with 2 Sachs hydraulic spring shock absorbers, and also the sidecar suspension features a single-sided swing arm with Sachs hydraulic spring shock absorbers. As well as the 3 different suspension points, there are also 3 different brakes. The front brake has a 4-piston fixed Brembo caliper with 295mm floating NG rotor. The rear brake has a 2-piston fixed Brembo caliper with a 265mm floating NG rotor with a standalone mechanical parking brake caliper. The sidecar brake has 2-piston fixed Brembo caliper with 245mm floating NG rotor. The dimensions for the sidecar are: the overall length of the vehicle is 2.5 meters, the overall height of the vehicle is 1.3 meters tall, and then the width of the vehicle is 1.6 meters. The overall dry weight of the sidecar is also 331 kilograms. The fuel tank capacity holds 5 gallons of fuel with an extra reserve gallon also. Ural also claimed that the Gear Up is able to travel an estimated range of 265 miles. The Gear Up sidecar comes in 8 standard colors. These colors are slate gray, bronze satin, flat green, terracotta satin, rainier white, northwest gray, Klein blue, and terracotta metallic. Ural also give 2-year warranty on the Gear Up sidecar, which covers unlimited kilometers, parts, and labor.